I just wrecked. The base came loose, so I guess that's going to be all for me today as far as recording.
This is the worst part about skiing is taking the boots on and off. Oh, get these things off. It's been a long day. I've been skiing since 8:30 this morning, and it is, just look, and it is almost 3 o'clock. Long day. Bill's back. I beat him. Being that I probably took all green runs and he took hard runs is probably not fair. But I beat him back.
I had to take a lift back up. So while I was on the lift going up, she was skiing down.
We'll get these boots off and get to the room and change and relax for a little bit before dinner.
At the moment that this video is going on, I have no clue that the little kid is screaming because they're scared to death. I didn't realize it until later, actually days later, when I watched the video back.
Isn't sunset beautiful? We're about to walk down to some kids are having some fun down there. We're about to walk down to Gondola Square and try a new place this year. It's called Timber and Torch. We have never eaten there. They built it over the summer and it just opened this ski season. So we're gonna walk down there and eat dinner and we'll let you know how it is. Timber and Torch, it was really good. I had the fish and chips and Bill had a burger. The fish and chips were better than the burger, but it was all really good. It's time to call it a night because we have a full day of skiing tomorrow. See you then. Well, our GoPro today is done. I don't know if it's the cold or the hard hits that he did, and then mine popped too. Our helmets that we bought. Now, let's just go ahead and talk about it. We bought them at Costco 5 years ago. We paid $49. So they've done their job. But we had to buy new helmets, and to put the GoPro mount on it, we have to let it sit overnight. So no GoPro for the rest of the day. So we're gonna eat lunch and head back up on the mountain, and we have reservations at a nice steakhouse tonight. See you later, whenever we bring the camera along. Eighth Street Steakhouse was great. You cooked your own steak. We ended up having the buffalo steak. It was really good. We posted on Facebook that we were there, and some locals said, "Oh, you have got to try the dessert." That was incredible as well. Bill's surprise for tomorrow got busted because it's supposed to be snowing and you can't take a hot air balloon up in the snow. So we're going to have to figure out what we're going to do tomorrow now. But I am headed to bed. Good night.